Hi beautiful people, it's your girl Online Cash Craft yet again to bring you this amazing video. And today I got something amazing for my kings and queens out there who might be struggling a bit for financial boost, or maybe you need some financial boost to what you have at the moment. We all know how life can be tough sometimes, but don't you worry, I got you. Today in this video I'll be sharing some websites that give out free money to people who need help. You might be thinking, is this true? Yes, it is true. I will be taking you and show you this amazing website that you can get free money from. So relax, grab a drink, grab your notepad and take notes. Now let's dive into it. So let me break it down, guys. There are some websites out there that give free money to people who are struggling. Now these websites, they provide grants, donations, or free items to help people who are going through tough times. And guess what? I'm actually talking about legit websites where you can sign up to or get registered and you get all of this. You can actually get some grants, can also get help to pay those bills, cover rent, or even put food on the table. So I'm going to take you through 3 of these websites that I'm talking about. They are doing amazing things for people in need. So do come with me and I will show you how you can get all these grants and all of this help. So first up, we have the Modest Needs. This is a fantastic website that gives out grants to low-income families or individuals who need help with unexpected expenses. I'm talking about car repairs, medical bills, or emergency travels. Now the process is pretty simple. You fill out an application form, you tell them a bit about your situation. If you qualify, you could actually get the help that you need. And guess what, guys? The best part is that you don't have to pay back this money. And guys, they actually have a whole section of success stories that people put up on their platform. Now when I mean people, I mean real people just like you and me who have gotten the support from this platform. So check them out if you're looking for a hand up, not a hand out, who have gotten. Now this particular one is a bit different because it is a crowdfunding platform, and the one I'm talking about is GoFundMe. You can set up a campaign for free, share your story and share it with your friends, family and even strangers. Now when you do this, people who resonate with your story can donate directly to you. It's all about community, helping community. And you know what, trust me, there are a lot of good-hearted people out there who are ready to help other people who are struggling a bit. So if you have a genuine need, do not be afraid to put it out there. There are people who genuinely want to help people. And remember, your story matters. Be real, be honest, and let people know how they can actually make a difference in your life. The third one is pretty different from the ones we've talked about. This particular one is not cash directly, but it's also a way to help you out. And then it's a great way for you to also save money. Now let me put you on to Freecycle. This Freecycle is a platform where community give out free items to people that need them. So the free items, from furniture, from clothing, electronics to toys. People give out things that they no longer need to other people. This is all about giving and receiving without paying a dime. And you might believe me, this as well helps to reduce waste. Like what you don't need, there is somebody else that needs it. Like they will say that someone's trash is another man's treasure. So at the end of the day, it is actually a win-win for everyone, both the person giving it out and the person receiving those gifts. So if you're struggling and need a few essentials, this is definitely worth checking out. And who knows, maybe you might find something very valuable out there that you need. These are the 3 legit websites that you can access and get help from when you are in a pinch. Whether it's a grant from Modest Need, a community-driven campaign for GoFundMe, or some free goodies from Freecycle, there is definitely something for everyone. But remember, it is okay to ask for help. And these resources, trust me, they're out there for you. So if this video is useful, make sure to click the like button, make sure to subscribe, and make sure to leave your comment down below. And don't forget to share this video to anyone who you think might need a boost. You never know. And don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms. And do not forget to check out my ebooks. I mean, if you have kids, I have children ebooks on safety. Yes, we need to start inculcating safety to our kids. So this ebook on safety is a must buy for the kids. Check it out and get it for your little ones. So stay blessed. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for staying around and watching this content. I hope to see you in my next. You might want to watch the next video up there. Once again, thank you for sticking around.